Come here, children. Today, Grandma will tell you a magical story. And then the brave little knight set off on his greatest adventure yet. He lived deep inside an enchanted forest where strange miracles happened every day.
Children, close your eyes. Imagine another forest at sunlight.
Children, inside the dark castle.
But oh dear, his hands trembled and the crystal slipped. Oh. And then, out of swirling smoke, the wicked witch appeared. Feel my wrath, you fools!
But oh dear, his hands trembled and the crystal slipped.
Children, the next morning, our little rabbit ran through the golden forest. Sunlight danced through the trees, and the leaves whispered secrets as he hopped along. Oh dear, children, the little rabbit was running so fast, he didn't see the tiny stick on the ground. And the moment he touched it,
Oh my, what a funny little tumble.
in the royal garden, the princess stood watering her beautiful flowers.
Sunlight sparkled on her dress, and the whole garden looked like a dream.
And just then, our little white rabbit stepped out from the grass.
And children, as the little white rabbit sat quietly beside the princess, something magical began to grow between them. But what happens next, we will discover in the next part of our story, to be continued. Lafson ki kahaniyan, subscribe now.